Today, I'm going to show you how to scale your crypto trading and grow a funded trading account to 100K profit in 2026. Now, this isn't just theory. I'll show you the strategies, mindset, and practical steps top traders actually use to grow their accounts safely. Hi, I'm Adam, head of content at Mubite here in Prague. I've been investing since 2005, trading crypto since 2020, and over the past year, I've been focused on prop trading, helping funded crypto traders scale their accounts successfully. I spend most of my time researching strategies, trading psychology, and risk management, and I've written a significant portion of Mubite's educational content. What I share isn't just theory. I've tested it and guided traders through it. And that's exactly why I can help you understand what it takes to scale to 100K in 2026. Scaling to $100,000 isn't easy. It takes skill, discipline, and a smart approach. And that's exactly what we're breaking down in this video. The mindset, risk rules, and strategies that can take you from stuck accounts to real growth this year. Let's get into it. Let's start with mindset. This is the foundation for success in crypto prop trading. Scaling requires consistency, control, and disciplined decision making. Patience is everything. Many traders chase quick wins or try to double their accounts overnight, and often fail. The real advantage comes from small habits that add up over time. Let me give you an example. Yehor, an 18-year-old trader from Ukraine, failed multiple challenges. Each failure taught him something new. He adjusted his approach, mastered risk management, and eventually became profitable. His account didn't explode overnight. He grew it step by step. Now take a moment. Review your last 3 trades that didn't go your way. Did you stick to your plan, or did panic take over? Write that down if you can. Reflection is the first step towards changing behavior. Here's another mindset tip. Treat losses like tuition. You pay a price to learn, but the knowledge compounds. Most traders avoid this lesson. They try to win big instead of learning small. Don't make that mistake. Managing risk is one of the most important skills in crypto trading, especially when you're scaling a funded account. You can't risk it all on one trade. Professional traders rarely risk more than 1 to 2% of their account per trade because surviving losing streaks is key to scaling. Let's break it down. Imagine a $10,000 account. Risk 1% per trade, that's $100. You could lose 5 trades in a row and still have 90% of your account intact. Compare that to risking 10% per trade. You're done after one bad move. Next, risk to reward ratios. Aim for at least 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. That means the potential reward is double or triple the risk. It keeps trades profitable over time, even if only half your trades win. Here's a simple calculation for Bitcoin at 90,000. If you risk 1%, $900, and your target is 2 to 1, your reward target is $1,800. Now imagine 10 trades like this over a month. These incremental wins beat chasing massive moves. A common mistake is ignoring leverage. 5x, 10x, even 20x. They can boost your profits, but also losses. So keep your position sized for longevity, not adrenaline. Check your current account. Calculate what 1 to 2% risk looks like in dollars for your trades, compared to what you've actually risked in recent trades. Awareness alone improves decisions. Now, let's talk about scaling, one of the hardest parts of prop firm crypto trading. Start small. Grow methodical. Every challenge is training. Trying to rush growth is the fast path to failure. Let's make this practical. Step 1, master 1 or 2 setups consistently. Don't spread yourself thin. Step 2, increase your position size gradually once you've proven consistency. Step 3, reinvest profits methodically. Compounding is the key to growing a funded crypto account over time. For example, a $5,000 funded account, after a few consistent months, it grows to 20K. This is disciplined compounding in action. You're literally building a repeatable system. Like Yehor, scaling requires small, consistent steps. Look at your account today. Could you scale one setup consistently before moving to another? Write down a step-by-step plan for the next week. Even one small planned step compounds faster than a risky big bet. A note on diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one pair. Spread trades across setups and assets. It's safer, and it reduces stress. Stress leads to mistakes, and mistakes destroy accounts. A note on diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one pair. Spread trades across setups and assets. It's safer, and it reduces stress. Stress leads to mistakes, and mistakes destroy accounts. Discipline and consistency are what separate top crypto prop traders from those who struggle. Every day you need a plan. Journal trades. Review patterns, tweak strategies, stick to rules. Overtrading kills accounts. Small, steady wins compound faster than chasing breakouts. Track your progress, analyze wins and losses, and refine your system without overcomplicating it. Daily habits matter. Pre-market prep, post-market reflection, reviewing risk rules. This structure turns skill into consistent results. Tonight, write down 3 trading rules you'll commit to tomorrow. Stick to them, then review them at the end of the day. Small habits repeated create compounding results over months. Here's the key. Over months, consistent disciplined habits turn into real growth. Now let's recap. To hit $100,000 this year, you need mindset, risk management, scaling strategies, and daily discipline. Markets will test you. Volatility is sharper than ever. But if you stay consistent, control risk, and scale smartly, $100,000 is within reach. If you want to become a profitable funded trader and learn top crypto prop trading strategies, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow along for more actionable tips. Your skill, our capital. Let's make 2026 the year you scale.